Are you facing foreclosure and worried about the impact on your credit? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll share essential tips to help you minimize the damage to your credit and explore alternatives to foreclosure. We're going to look at how to communicate with your lender, explore options like loan modifications and short sales, and most importantly, how to get back on your feet. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, communicate with your lender. Burying your head in the sand won't make this problem go away. You need to pick up the phone and call your lender. Many homeowners facing foreclosure avoid talking to their lender, but this is a critical mistake. Lenders don't want to foreclose on your home. It costs them time and money. So reach out, explain your situation honestly, and be proactive in asking for help. Tip number 2, consider a loan modification. If you're struggling to make your monthly payments, a loan modification might be the lifeline you need. This means working with your lender to change the terms of your mortgage, such as lowering your interest rate or extending the loan term. Not everyone will qualify, but it's definitely worth exploring with your lender. Understanding your options is crucial. Tip number 3, explore a short sale. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, keeping the house just isn't possible. In a short sale, the lender agrees to let you sell your home for less than the mortgage balance. It can help you avoid the devastating credit hit of a foreclosure and allow you to move on with your life. It's about damage control and minimizing the negative impact on your financial future. Tip number 4, seek professional help. When you're facing foreclosure, working with an expert can make all the difference. A real estate agent or credit counselor can help you navigate the options available and find a solution that protects your credit. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's a sign of strength. A good advisor can provide valuable guidance, support, and hope during a stressful time. Tip number 5, understand the impact of missed payments. Every missed payment damages your credit score, even before foreclosure begins. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. Your credit score affects your ability to get loans, rent an apartment, and even secure a job. If you're behind on your mortgage payments, take action now. Communicate with your lender and explore your options. Protect your credit before it's too late. Tip number 6, consider a deed in lieu of foreclosure. If foreclosure feels inevitable, a deed in lieu of foreclosure allows you to transfer ownership of the property back to the lender without the lengthy foreclosure process. It's not giving up, it's choosing a different path to minimize the damage to your credit. Walk away with some dignity. Tip number 7, know your rights under the law. Some states offer protections, such as a right of redemption, which can help you reclaim your property after foreclosure. Consult with a real estate attorney to understand your rights and available options. They can be your advocate and guide in a system that often feels overwhelming. Tip number 8, repair your credit after foreclosure. Even after foreclosure, you can rebuild your credit. Make sure to pay all bills on time, reduce your debt, and consult with a credit counselor to repair your score. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it. It's about taking control of your finances and making responsible choices. With each positive step, you'll be rebuilding your credit and securing a brighter financial future. Tip number 9, bankruptcy as a last resort. Bankruptcy is a last resort, a nuclear option that should only be considered after exploring every other avenue. If all else fails, bankruptcy can provide relief and help prevent foreclosure, but it will impact your credit for years to come. Consult with an attorney to see if this is the best option for your situation. They can help you weigh the pros and cons and guide you toward the best course of action. Outro: you don't have to face foreclosure alone. Foreclosure doesn't have to be the end of the road. By acting early, understanding your options, and working with experts, you can protect your credit and take control of your financial future. If you're facing foreclosure in Houston or need assistance with avoiding foreclosure, contact Drenie Realty today. Visit us at www.drenierealty.com or call us for a consultation. We're here to help.